is Peter Izzo at the House of Fins. We're actually coming in with another unboxing video this week. This is some really cool stuff. I just got back from hand picking out some really neat fish. So we're gonna get like right into it. These guys, really excited to check these guys out. These are the Arulius Barbs, an awesome medium-sized barb. They'll get really beautiful dorsal trails on their top fin. So these guys are really cool, great peaceful fish to go in like larger species. They work well with denison barbs or those rose-lined sharks as other names for them. So those are a great fish, great for like larger species tanks. These guys are really neat. We have an albino marble angel. These guys have exceptional fin quality on them. Can't wait to see what these guys look like once they get settled into our aquarium. So we have a whole bunch of these guys that we hand-picked out. Alright, next guy. So these are just regular classic cribs, Pelvicochromis pulcher. But these guys are of superior quality. Awesome coloration. Even all stressed out in the bag, you can really see that the colors are shining through. So looking forward to getting some after in-tank shots of these guys all tanked up and nice and colorful. Another really cool fish. This is coming from Central America. These are the Cryptohero sahica. These guys, beautiful blue eyes on them, great coloration in the body. Let's see if we can get them moved a little bit. So, a couple of pairs of these. These guys are going to look really nice, and looking forward again to seeing them tanked. Alright, just a couple more will do. Let's see. Oh yeah, alright, we'll do these guys. This is a wild beta. These are a mouth brooding beta. This is beta Dimidiata. Really neat little fish. This is another one you don't see very often, so excited for these. Alright, and then this is probably the star of the show. This is the Synodontis Granulosus. These guys are exceptionally rare. They come from Lake Tanganyika. They don't collect very many of them. And believe it or not, this is actually a captive raised specimen. So the guy who's been breeding these has them in groups for the past 12 years, breeding pairs of these. So pretty awesome fish. So that's all we have. Hopefully, there's actually a lot more fish in these, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So hopefully you guys will come down over the weekend and take a look. Thanks so much.